Hello guys, good morning. It's currently April 17, day 108 ng daily vlog. It's Wednesday. Galing akong work, so pauwi pa lang. Another day na. So once again, I'm very thankful for another chance. Another time to do our best. Yeah. I don't know kung makaka-enroll ako sa architecture school this year, no? Pero ngayong taon parang pinag-iipunan ko pa yung pambili ng laptop, no? Which is yung gagawin ko na lang is bibilin ko na lang yung sa laptop ni Glay, no? Kasi para makabili si Glay ng bago, bilhin ko na lang yung laptop niya. Maging usapan din naman namin yun. So sana hopefully up until December this year makaipon ako. I think that's around mga 60k na. Nabili niya yung mga 70. Makukuha ako sa kanya ng around 60 plus na. So, actually maganda yung laptop na yun. Predator, no? Yung laptop. Pang gaming laptop siya, kasi pang RT din, pang render, meron siyang Lumion. So yeah, ayun, si Glay naman gusto niya ibang klaseng laptop na. So ganun ang gagawin ko. And hopefully makaipon din in 2025 na. Maybe I can get back to architecture school na. So yeah. Hi. Yo, kakarating lang dito sa bahay. And pahinga muna na. Make sure natin na charge yung phone before matulog or merong battery, no? Para hindi malobat at meron tayong alarm mamaya kasi ayaw nating maulit yung kahapon. Nalate tuloy ako. So yeah, pahinga muna. Yeah, tapos ko lang mag-prepare. Medyo nakapahinga naman na, no? On the way na ulit sa office para mag-grind ulit. So yeah, we just have to keep our consistency, you know, and huwag lang susuko, no? Always try to do our best every day. And hopefully we keep on making, you know, progress, no? Ayun, on the way na sa office. Panahon. yung 2 months pa na pagtitiis, no? At hopefully ma-pay off na rin yung utang. So pinafocus ko na talaga maging consistent, no? In the next 2 months para ma-pay off ko na yung utang. So because after that focus na ako sa sa pagtabi, savings. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to look forward to. Maybe on August, kasi around July babakasyon ako sa Sorsogon sa Bicol. Medyo gagastos pa doon na. But this June bala ko natapusin yung mga bayarin. Hopefully in God's provision matapos na rin yun. So in August to December magsisave lang tayo until makaipon ng pambili ng laptop na. So yeah. Ayo guys, lunch break muna, no? So dito muna ako nakatampay sa gaming room. It's currently 9:59 PM na. Yeah, pahinga muna. Ngayon ulit ay araw ng Miyerkules, no? April 17, day 108 na. So more than 100 daily vlogs na ako na. And at this point wala pang viewers na, wala pang active viewers. But hopefully in the future, kapag makabili ako ng magagandang mabili ko yung laptop, then makabili ako magandang camera, try ko improvein yung paggawa ko ng video. Since na gusto ko i-pursue yung architecture in the future, maybe more on mga architecture contents or about new technologies, or creating a business, ganun yung content ko in the future. But for sure itutuloy ko tong daily vlog up until next year, no? Expected ko na maybe this year wala pa talaga viewers, depende na lang sa type of content na i-upload ko. Kasi for now medyo parang daily routine lang yung in-upload ko. If ever I will exert more effort sa paggawa ng isang magandang video at magandang content, no, maybe we'll get some traction or views from that. Yeah, pero for now dito muna, daily vlog lang. So yeah, just continue to be persistent, never give up, and just try to do our best every day. Just got off from work. It's 12:40 a.m. Tapos ko lang kumain. And yeah, I think dito ko na rin i-end yung April 17 na video, no? So it has been a normal day naman, no? Daily working day. And I'm just thankful for everything, and also I'm praying for the country, the Philippines, because there is a rising tension na sa West Philippine Sea or sa China Sea. Sana hindi mag-escalate into war. So wala talagang panalo in terms of war, and it will just put the country into a bad situation. Especially it will it will decline the status of the economy, and also syempre we don't want our loved ones, even ourselves, to be involved or get hurt. So yeah, let's just pray for the Philippines, for our safety and for peace. Yeah. Let's pray for our leaders as well, to make the right decisions. So yeah, dito na end yung page 108 vlogs.